Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to get happy feet. Let's get started. Rosewater and glycerin. Soak your feet in a simple mixture of glycerin and rosewater every day. This mixture of rosewater and glycerin is soothing and will cure your cracked heels. You can also add some lemon and raw salt to transform this mixture into a foot mask. Soak your feet in this new mixture for about 20 minutes and then scrub it gently with a pumice stone. Repeat this for a few days to cure those cracked heels. Paraffin wax and coconut oil. A mixture of paraffin wax and coconut oil is good to treat a severe case of cracked and painful heels. Take some paraffin wax and mix this with some coconut oil. Heat the mixture until the wax melts well. Let this mixture cool at room temperature and then apply it on your feet. You could also try this at night. Leave the mixture on your feet and cover them with a pair of socks. Wash it in the morning for quicker results. Honey. Honey is a natural moisturizer and also has antibacterial properties. This makes it an excellent remedy for dry and cracked heels. Pour about half a cup of honey into half a bucket of warm water and soak your feet for 20 minutes. Keep massaging your feet occasionally and continue this routine for a few days to get rid of cracked heels. Bananas. This is an easy and non-expensive remedy to cure cracked heels. Mash the pulp of one ripe banana and apply it on your feet. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse it off. You can also add avocado and the flesh of half a coconut to transform this into a foot mask. Blend in the ingredients and apply the thick paste on your feet for smooth and crack-free heels. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is also a good remedy to soften dry and cracked heels. With a cotton ball, apply some virgin olive oil to your heels and massage them in a circular motion for 15 minutes. Leave the oil on your feet and put on a pair of socks for an hour and then wash it off. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.